Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Zengo accounts. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to delete your Zengo account, first tap open your Zengo application from the app drawer. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Before beginning, I would like to tell you that if you delete your account, you will lose any funds left in the wallet, your access to any pending transactions will be lost as well, all of your crypto addresses will be lost, and any future transactions sent to your crypto addresses will be lost as well. There is no option to regain access to your account after it is deleted, so make sure that you are making a wise choice here. From the main homepage of Zengo, tap on the account button at the bottom right hand corner, and now scroll all the way down to the end of this page. Tap on Delete Account. If you have any balance left on your Zengo wallet, make sure to transfer it to another wallet. Confirm your deletion by tapping on Delete, and that way you'll be able to delete your Zengo wallet account right away. Now you can go ahead and pick a reason why you are deleting your account. Give any reason that you want and tap on Submit. Tap on Close. Now since you've closed your account for Zengo, you can quickly uninstall the application from your mobile device. That is how you can easily delete your Zengo account, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.